Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best Pride scooter battery charger on the market. The 24 volts 583-pin male XLR connector battery charger, specially designed for Lake-Matic, Pride Mobility, Jazzy Powerchair, Drive Medical, Golden Technologies, ShopRider, and Rascal models. If you own a power scooter or wheelchair, you know how crucial a reliable charger is to keep your mobility device running smoothly. This charger stands out because it offers a powerful 24-volt output at 5 amps, which means it charges your scooter battery faster than many other chargers that only provide 1 to 4 amps. Faster charging means less downtime and more time on the move. One of the key features of this charger is its compatibility. It is designed for lead-acid batteries, which are commonly used in these mobility devices. The connector is a male 3-pin XLR type, ensuring a secure and reliable connection to your scooter. This charger is brand new and functions as a genuine OEM replacement, so it works seamlessly with your device just like the original part. Safety is a top priority with this charger. It includes built-in protections against short circuits, overcurrent, and overvoltage. These safety features help prevent damage to your battery and the charger itself, giving you peace of mind during every charge cycle. The charger supports a wide range of scooter models beyond just Pride Mobility and Jazzy Powerchair. It also works with Active Care, Blades XTR, Curry, Drive Cirrus Plus EC, Golden Technologies, GT, iZip, LASHOUT, Mongoose, Pacesaver, Rascal, and ShopRider models. This broad compatibility makes it a versatile option if you have multiple devices or plan to upgrade in the future. The input power range is quite flexible as well, accepting AC 100 to 240 volts with 50 or 60 Hz, making it suitable for use almost anywhere in the world without worrying about voltage converters or adapters. Another great aspect of this charger is its compact and lightweight design, which makes it easy to carry with you when traveling or storing when not in use. Despite its small size, it delivers a maximum power of 120 watts, enough to give your scooter battery a full and efficient charge. Additionally, this charger comes with a 12-month free exchange warranty, which means you can purchase it with confidence knowing the manufacturer stands behind their product. To sum it up, the 24 volts 583-pin male XLR connector battery charger offers fast charging, wide compatibility, reliable safety features, and convenience in a compact package. Whether you need a replacement charger or want to upgrade your current one, this charger is a smart investment to keep your Pride scooter or other mobility device powered up and ready to go. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.